Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Now let's see what is in store today. Love begins. A beautiful card. Something new is beginning. Maybe a marriage proposal will come, or maybe if someone is expecting the news for their engagement or taking their relationship forward, then that will also happen because it is two hands becoming as a single life. So, yes, I just felt that maybe you meet your soulmate today or your life partner today and you'll be happy that you met them. Let's see what is the next card. Emotional loss. uh, Sometimes I don't take this card as a negative card. Sometimes when a new life comes in our life, we think about the past, we worry about the past, we fear what if again we are, it's history which is repeating in our life. Will we again be cheated in love? Will we again get hurt emotionally? So that is the reason this card is coming, because sometimes they say no, we have butterflies in our stomach. So something new related to your emotional life, related to your love life, or related to your relationship is coming, and that is creating a fear in you that what if it is not meant for you. Sometimes when I see the cards, it's a shuffled card and all of a sudden both the cards were so interrelated, and that's where I always say that I love doing cards. So again, coming back to the point, wear the color green today so that you'll get lots of healing, and keep your heart chakra open. Work on your heart chakra. Say, I open my heart chakra to receive unconditional love. I open my heart chakra to receive abundant love. I open my heart chakra to receive all the beautiful things in my life, and from now on I shall only receive things which I deserve and things which will keep me happy. So I just want to pull one more card because both is related to love. So is there any other message for today? Okay, the waiting game. So maybe today is only the day for emotions and nothing else. So you need to wait for other things to happen in your life. So today maybe somewhere throughout the day there will be emotional upswings. There will be good and bad news. There will be good things and bad things. But whatever comes your way, just be happy. Just have an open heart that this also is for my good and this also shall pass. And I would like to give a small piece of advice here today. As I said, wear the color green, keep your heart chakra open. Today, if possible, do the Hriday Mudra, HRUDAYA. If you see the Google, you will get the posture of the mudra. So if you see the Google, as I said, you will get the mudra, how it is done. So do the Hriday Mudra, and in the morning just chant whichever mantra you like chanting, whichever is the mantra closest to your heart, or else just chant Om Saravana Bhava 108 times and then start your day. I'm sure whatever is there in life today, in store today for you, is going to give you a beautiful beginning and a new beginning and unconditional love. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.